Hi, my dear friends. So, after a long time, now we are coming back to our studies. So, up to last year, we were coming to school. When June starts, we are coming back to the school directly. But this time, because of this disaster, we are doing our classes through online. So, I hope you all have heard about it and your classes are going on. And now, today we will study English. So up to last year means we were studying, we are going to the school and we were meeting our friends, we are meeting our teachers and they are coming one by one for each subject, for each period they are coming and standing in front of us and teaching to us. So this time it had changed. We all are teachers are at the school and you students are at home and through the network we are continuing our studies. So think about a time when there are no schools, no teachers and no students. Every one of you sitting at home in front of your computer or television and then studying. So only the sources for study are coming through to you and you are not seeing your teachers, your principal, your school, nothing. You are sitting at your home. That means one room in your house is your school. That is your reading school where you read, you write and do. Teachers coming in the computer or in the television and giving you the work and doing your test. So this type of studies what we are also doing now, online studies. That means teachers doing their work, sending you the work, you sitting at home and you doing it and giving you the assignment, you are returning it back to your teachers and finally the test of each subject is being done and you have to do it and send it back to your school. So now in your text the first lesson says about the future studies. That means there are two students named Tommy and Maggie. So they both are going to the new technological school. New technological school means sitting in their home and studying. Sitting in one part of their house, one room in the part of their house in front of a television. And everything is being displayed in the screen of the television. And through that the teacher is coming, teaching and going. Only that much connection they are having. Seeing the teacher in the computer and getting the sources. So now what you also having. The teachers are teaching you and you are getting it through your TV or mobile or your television. So now the same will happen after some years goes. That means the new technology is being developing day by day and the robots are there to teach you. So once upon a time when there were books, loaded books for studying, after some time we can see that only sitting at the home and all the sources coming through the network. So no need of going out of your house, sitting at home and studying. So that kind of a school, the future school, what the children, Tommy and Maggie do. So Tommy and Maggie are doing the same. They both are going, sitting in their room, they are not going to the school. And once they happen to see a book of their grandfather, a long time. That means when their father's father was studying, he was having a set of books. So these two children do not know what are books. They have not seen what are books. So the once Tommy happened to see a book of his grandfather. So he goes to the pages of the book and understands that there was a time when everyone was using books, going to the school, having their teachers, period after period, they are changing their subjects, they are having their friends, coming and going and playing in the school. That means a fun which is far different from what they are doing at home. So Tommy and Maggie sitting at the home and doing the work. So they don't have any friends. They don't have any teachers. The teacher is the mechanical teacher coming in the TV screen and doing the work. So they have seen only the mechanical teacher. They don't know about the human teacher. So when they have read the book of their grandfather, they understood there was a time when human teachers are there and children going from their home to another building called the school. So the school is a building, very big building, where children from every area coming over there, sitting in particular classes, having friends, having fun, having games, everything. At the same time, enjoying themselves with their teachers and their subjects. So one by one, the teacher coming and having their subjects, and they're giving them the notes, giving them the assignments, and they are doing it in front of the teacher. But all that will change when what Tommy and Maggie are doing. So when they have read about their grandfather's book, they understood the truth that being at home and studying is not at all good at when going at a building far from their home, enjoying with many other students of the same age, where the teachers of different subjects coming and going, that is something far different from what they both are doing, sitting at their home and doing their lessons. So the mechanical teacher coming and a human teacher coming and taking the class is far different from what they have seen. So they understood the grandfather's time, when they had books, when they had a teacher, when they had the building for school, that is far better, that is more enjoyable than what they are particular at present doing. That is sitting in a particular room in front of the TV, and time by time the subject changes and the teachers come. So that is much different than the time when the grandfather had studied. So that is the lesson what we are going to learn in the first.